circles of radii 5 cm and 3 cm intersect at 2 points and the distance between their centers is 4 cm. Find the length of the common chord. Let's begin with the solution. And let the two circles of radius 3 cm and 5 cm intersect at the points A and B. We have to find the length of AB. Let O be the center of the circle with radius 3 and O dash be the center of the circle with radius 5 cm. Also, we are given that the distance between their centers is 4 cm. So, we are given that O dash is equal to 4 cm and the circle with center O and radius 3 and the circle with center O dash and radius 5 intersect at points A and B. We have to find the length of AB. First, let us do a simple construction. Let us join the point O and A, O and B, O dash and B, and O dash and A. Join OA, OB, O dash B, and O dash A. Also, let the point of intersection of O dash and AB be M, and let OM is equal to X, then O dash M is equal to 4 minus X. Now, we know that the line segment joining the center of the two intersecting circle is the perpendicular bisector of the common chord. Therefore, angle AMO is 90 degrees and similarly angle BMO is also 90 degrees. Now, in triangle OMA, therefore we can apply Pythagoras theorem. We have OA square is equal to OM square plus AM square. Now, we know that the smaller circle has radius 3 centimeters. So, here we have 3 square is equal to OM is X plus AM square. This implies that AM square is equal to 9 minus X square. Sorry, here we have X square. Let us denote this by equation number 1. Similarly, applying the Pythagoras theorem in triangle O-MA, we have O-A square is equal to O-M square plus AM square. Now O-A square is 5 square, O-M square plus AM square. Now O-M is 4 minus X. So we have 5 square is equal to 4 minus X whole square plus AM square, which implies that AM square is equal to 25 minus 4 minus X whole square. Let us denote this by equation number 2. Now, from equation 1 and 2, since the left hand sides are equal, the right hand sides are also equal. That is 9 minus X square is equal to 25 minus 4 minus X whole square. This further implies that 9 minus x square is equal to 25 minus 16 minus 8x plus x square. Now taking all the terms on the left hand side. And simplifying. We see that plus 16 plus 9 is plus 25, which cancels out with minus 25. So this implies minus 8x is equal to 0, which implies that x is equal to 0. Now x is equal to 0 implies that O coincides with M. This implies that AM is the radius of the circle with center O and radius 3 centimeters. Therefore, AB, which is 2 times of AM, since line joining the centers of 2 circles is perpendicular bisector of the common chord. Now, AM is the radius of the circle with center O and radius 3 centimeters. Therefore, we have 2 times of 3. This is equal to 6. Hence, the length of the common chord, which is AB, is equal to 6 centimeters. This completes the solution.